ballsy as don't do it again, but that's good. Don't do it again, but that's good.
Good pass.
Jet bro drone. All right, buddy. Flight's up.
Not quite.
No, not quite.
Not quite.
He's still getting it prepared.
It's a jet flying a jet.
Man, jet's flying a jet indoors. See how this goes. What's the chances it crashes? I don't know, comment below.
You got no confidence?
Oh, you tell me, man. How many times have you flown this thing?
Once.
You got all the confidence in the world, though, huh?
I don't even have a logo.
All right, let's see how this goes. He doesn't even have a logo. Oh, it's just an inside joke for me and Jet. All right, what is this guy doing? Oh, he's spinning it around in circles. Ring around the rosy. All right, he says it's ready to go now. Let's see. It's good to go? Oh, I can hear it. And we've got liftoff. This is ridiculous, Jet. What are we doing out here? What are we doing with the drone on the ice? Alright, well, stay tuned for some drone footy. Alright. Oh, the bird's in the air. Oh. I'm flying it at you. Alright, if I crash this thing, it's not my fault.
Alright, don't go too fast. Don't go too fast.
Dude, I can't control it anymore. I can't control it anymore. Like, I'm pressing down. Nice save.
Did you get that?
It was beeping. It was beeping the whole time. I was like, oh shit.
I dodged it, bro.
Dude.